안녕하세요. Okay. Is that correct Korean greeting of mine? I don't know. But that phrase is one of the line that I use in this content that you're going to watch. All right. So my content has to do with the phrase 안녕하세요 because in my content One Yard I made a very special dish, or I would say this is specialty. Okay. This is one of the specialties of the Korean. Okay. So, lumipas ang maraming taon, dekada. So, nahumaling ang mga Pilipino sa Korean foods. And that is one of the uh, famous food that we have known in our society, in the restaurant that we are, na kinakainan natin, yung kimchi. Okay? So, yan ay sumikat talaga sa Pilipinas. And today, you are going how exactly I did an authentic Korean dish, kimchi. So, you better watch this. Think about it every night and day. 안녕하세요. Today, I'm gonna pick a very large or real giant Chinese cabbage right here. All right, let's get started. Oh, I'm excited. Oh my God. Woo, woo. And also today, we are gonna make kimchi at last out of this giant cabbage. And we're gonna pick some more. Alright, here they are. Let's get started. At syempre, meron pa tayo doon carrots, onions, saka garlic. Doon, punta mo tayo doon. Itong mga carrots ko, huwag nyo asa nakatulad sa mga upland area kasi nandito lang tayo sa Kapatagan. Kaya magiging hubog ng carrots ko ay ito na. Oh! Nambuhala, oh. Dami niyong tentacles. Parang galamay, oh. Oh. Regular size, yeah. Parang ganun, di mo tayo taga-Benguet eh. Ito ba? Bango. Hindi mo kainin to eh. Kalutong. Grabe, kasarap. Palo pa pa. At kunin na nga lang natin itong sibuyas na to. At lalagyan din natin sibuyas. Siyempre ating kimchi. Alright. Okay na yan. At dito rin tayo kumuha ng bawang. Hindi na tayo kukuha sa kusina. Actually, konti na lang itong bawang na to. Marami na ako naan eh. Okay. Oh, pwede na to. 4. Kakatawa rin naman sa isang banda. Itong sili ko. Daming bunga. Nakaabang. Anyway, mas mapula itong isang to eh. Mas mapula ko. Dalaman to. Isa pa siguro. Isa ititira natin sa ibang luto eh. Bawang talaga ng sili na. Tagalog, pukinggan ha. Pukinggan. Bell pepper.
So sabi ng mga Korean, kaladang porridge, ha? So ang gagawin natin, hindi sa ibabaw ng kanin, yung parang pinakalugaw, yung pinaka-am kung tawagin, kundi mismo kanin ang gagawin natin. At ito ang magsisilbing pampalapot natin sa ating kimchi. Saka natin pagsasama-samahin mamaya. Okay, tikman natin kung talagang rice flour. So, siyang siya. Very thick. Ah, lapot. Rice porridge. Talaga ito yung magdadala yung pampalapot na ito eh. Maswerte. Kaunti kang gat. Kaunti tubig. Parang di ma-stop. Okay. Lalagay ko sana ng patis eh, baka maalat yung alamang natin. Kaya tikman muna natin. Sakto lang. At yung gagawin natin ay Indian style. Kakamayin natin. Walang gloves. At ito naman yung tinatawag na Filipino style. Hindi pwedeng hindi sisimutin yan. Diba? Mga Pinoy tayo. Kailangan simot at simot. Lalo na to. Ito trip ko eh. Porridge. Masarap talaga niya. Anong pala diskarte para maging masarap yung lugaw. Hinigiling mabuti yung bigas. Diskarte na kayo. At pwede natin siguro tikman, no? Kahit 2 days pa bago kayo talaga ng para ma-ferment siya. Talaga. Ano kasi pwede na. Grabe.
First time I ever saw you, I fell in love when you entered the room. And when the light hit your face, we were just kids, but I knew right away that I will be with you until I stop breathing. I will keep loving you as long as my heart's beating.
Bango. Grabe yung pagkaburo niya. Ang sarap. Ayaw kainin lahat to. Sabi. Burong-buro siya yung pagkaasa niya. Napakasarap. Kasi, ganun lang. Magigit sa lingin niyo lagi sarap. At kainin niyo. Buruhin niyo muna ng todo. Carrots. Grabe. At kung nagustuhan mo ang video ko, don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Give me a like na yun. Hirap gawin kaya nito. Basta kakainin ko lahat to. So from the farm of 1 yard, this giant cabbage become my favorite now. Kimchi. Bye.
Ayan. So alam nyo, this is real crops of mine during the first quarter of 2026 this year. Talaga namang, alam nyo, ang laki-laki talaga ng aking crops o aking harvest sa Chinese cabbage na yan. Talagang nag-enjoy ako ng marami as I was planting those crops. So, hindi lang yan ang aking tanim ng mga panahon na yan. So, meron din akong cabbage, carrots, and of course, lettuce at iba-iba pang mga upland vegetable na makita natin o sa mga upland area lang natin makikita o mabibili. Pero, kaya na itanim ko yan because nung panahon ng amihan season from December up to March o late March of 2026, talagang yan ang hobby ko sa aking sarili noon pa man din. And then, yan, kino-content ko na for almost 2 years yung mga tanim ko na yan pagka amihan season, okay? So, I hope you did enjoy my podcast episode about 1 yard content, okay? So, kimchi from the giant Chinese cabbage that I made, an authentic kimchi from Korea. Okay, bye for now. See you next time. And thank you for watching my podcast.